reached the pinnacle point of finishing, I have an accident with a car. You have a Cadillac, and we used to use a Cadillac to carry cement. So I have to drive back from the studio to the house because he gone down and leave the car, and I said I'm not leaving the car on the road.
Right.
Drive the car over, bang the lights that go up on the car, have a bad accident, mash up the whole of the car front. I tell my friend, go and tell him that the car crashed because I'm so scared what he was going to do to me. And he come down and he get real mad, box me. I never get a box like that in my whole life.
Oh wow, wow. Yeah, safe to say he was mad.
I never get a hit like that in my whole life, man. And they hold on to me, and anyway, I struggle and I get away from him. And I said, boy, I'm not going back near this man, So I run away and head back to country.